What's up, guys? Today I'm going to give you guys an absolute cheat code for AI. This is a AI Google Chrome extension that you guys can use completely free, and it's going to give you guys an insane amount of benefits that I hope you guys will be able to use in whatever you guys try to use this for. But anyways, if you guys want more AI content like this, more tutorials, more prompt videos, let me know by hitting the like button so I understand you guys want more stuff like this, as well as be sure to subscribe so whenever I upload a new tutorial, something like this or any other AI tool, you guys will be the first people to know about it. So anyways, though, let's get to the tutorial. So the Chrome browser extension that I'm gonna be using is called Perplexity Ask AI, and it's made from Perplexity themselves. It's like a new company, new studio that actually just developed this, and this is brand new. Like, you guys can go ahead and check it out. It's even featured so you guys know it's like a legit Chrome extension. So anyways, though, in order for you guys to install it, you guys have to be on a Chrome browser, obviously. Go ahead and click on add to Chrome and then add extension. Very simple to do. Automatically added. If it's not there, you can go ahead and click this little puzzle piece, and then you guys can click on the pin button so you guys can go ahead and pin down the Perplexity add-on. So now we have the extension added to our Google Chrome browser. We can go ahead and use it, but just wait though. There are some things you guys cannot use this for, but a lot of the stuff that you guys can use it for, you guys are gonna absolutely love. So understand there is some websites that it's not gonna work, and I'm gonna tell you guys which ones don't work, as well as some cases where it's gonna work incredible for you. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna go on ESPN, and there's a lot of different articles here you guys can go ahead and select. I'm gonna go ahead and click on we'll click on the first one that pops up here. So there's a nice little video here and a gigantic article, and come on, guys, when I'm making this video, it's 2023. Who has the time to read all this stuff? Like, we're like the TikTok generation, right? So let's go ahead and click on the Perplexity icon app AI whatever Chrome extension, whatever you want to call it, and you have three options. You have the internet, you have this domain, this page. So if you guys go ahead and do like the internet, it's going to search the entire internet. If you're going to do this domain, it's going to search the entire ESPN domain. And if you guys want to like check out this page, you'll like just select and summarize the page. So this is where it gets really important, because there's a lot of good prompts and there's a lot of bad prompts. You guys can find out for yourselves when you guys are using this, because it's a lot of trial and error. However, though, they make it pretty easy for you guys. They have a summarize button here where you can go ahead and click on summarize, and it will automatically just summarize this page for you guys. So I mean, you guys can read just this little snippet right here, or you guys can go ahead and read this entire thing. Totally up to you guys how you guys want to spend your time, but I would prefer reading just a little brief paragraph rather than an entire article, just so it gets straight to the point. You can also do this for basically any article, any site that has text. So this is a new article on the banks, and so you can go ahead and click on the button again, and let's do summarize. So it's going to summarize the entire page, and let's see what it gives us. So once again, that gives us a nice little summary of the entire article. Instead of reading everything, you can just read this little bit, you know. And to be honest too, like, if you guys are really into the article, you guys think this is like a great summary, then you would go ahead and then read the actual article. So this works for book essays, any financial, sports article, anything. There's so many uses you guys can use this for. However, though, there's something that you guys need to know, because it's not going to work. Like I said, there's some websites that this is not going to work for you guys, and this is a very good one to keep in mind. Say for example, you guys found a nice YouTube video, you guys want to go ahead and see what it's about. So if you go on Perplexity, you'll actually go ahead and click on summarize, and unfortunately it is not set up quite yet, so you can actually have a summary of a YouTube video. However, there's kind of a workaround for this right now, where you basically have to go on and click on the three dots here, and it shows show transcript, and it'll show the entire transcript of the video. And then all you want to do then is copy the entire transcript, and then of course you guys can copy and then paste it into any Word document or whatever, and then you guys can put that back into ChatGPT, and then you guys can transcribe and summarize the transcript like that. So it's not perfect yet. There's still some things that needs to work out, like video it can't understand yet, but for the most part, any article, any domain, it works like a dime. It's insane. So anyways, though, I hope you guys did enjoy this quick video. I'll put a link down below to the browser. You guys can go ahead and check it out with the Chrome extension. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed. More AI tutorials like this one coming your way. Make sure you guys do subscribe, as well as hit the like button, and we'll catch you guys in another video. Until next time, take it easy, my friends. Peace out.